Next, we need to add one more thing, and that is when we click on this, when this one here should be selected. So without wasting time, let's add more classes. Now I'm going back to here, li, and I'm going to create a class here. And this class will be checked. All right, let me copy this one and bring it to the CSS because I need to style it. I'll say ul li dot checked. Now color would be this color here, and text decoration, I will say line through. I'll pick this one, line through. Now you can see there's a line through on this first task here. All right. Now the next thing is I need to add another icon here before this task here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my CSS here, then say dot, sorry, ul li dot checked. And then I'm going to add a pseudo before. Okay. Now background image, I'll pick this one. URL. Then I'll say image. I'm going to pick this one. Checked. This time I'm working with the checked. Okay. Now let me see if this one is going to work. Now, if you can see, the first one is what? Is checked. Now, guys, don't miss the next part. If you haven't followed this series, can you check out this playlist on my YouTube channel? Follow to this point. Now, the next one, okay, this one will display by default, but I'm going to disable this, and then we're going to create something using JavaScript so that when we click on this add button, the task will be added automatically like that. So see you in the next video.